Year on Earth isn't 365 days. It's actually 365.2564 days. It's this extra 0.2564 days that creates the need for a leap year once every 4 years. That's why we tack on an extra day in February every 4 years. Antarctica. Antarctica contains about 90% of the world's ice and thereby about 70% of the world's freshwater. If all of this ice were melted, sea levels would rise about 60 meters, 200 feet. Antarctica is also the biggest desert on Earth. There's uneven gravity. Because our globe isn't a perfect sphere, its mass is distributed unevenly. And uneven mass means slightly uneven gravity. One mysterious gravitational anomaly is in the Hudson Bay of Canada. This area has lower gravity than other regions. Rocks can walk. Rocks can walk on Earth, at least they do at the Pancake Flat lakebed called Racetrack Playa in Death Valley. There, a perfect storm can move rocks, sometimes weighing tens or hundreds of pounds. Most likely, ice-encrusted rocks get inundated by meltwater from the hills above the playa, according to NASA researchers. When everything's nice and slick, a stiff breeze kicks up and whoosh, the rock is off. The Dead Sea is the lowest point on land. The lowest point on land, however, is relatively accessible. It's the Dead Sea between Jordan, Israel, and the West Bank. The surface of this super salty lake is 1,388 feet, 423 m below sea level. We're losing fresh water. As the climate changes, glaciers are retreating and contributing to rising sea levels. It turns out that one particular glacier range is contributing a whopping 10% of all the meltwater in the world. That honor belongs to the Canadian Arctic, which lost a volume equivalent to 75% of Lake Erie between 2004 and 2009. There are 6 supervolcanoes on Earth. We know of 6 supervolcanoes around the Earth that erupt every 100,000 years on average. One of the most well-known is the supervolcano located under Yellowstone National Park. While they are inactive right now, an eruption of a supervolcano would be extremely damaging to the Earth, which would classify as an extinction-level event. The Earth may have been purple. The Earth may have been purple millions of years ago. As we know, the Earth is blue and green, but millions of years ago, it may have been a vibrant purple color. Thanks to ancient microbes that obtained energy from the sun using a different process, the planet would have appeared violet. The Earth receives 1 million billion cubic feet of snow each year. It is estimated that the Earth receives 1 million billion cubic feet of snow every year. All this snow is estimated to weigh quite a bit, coming in at million billion kilograms. The hottest recorded temperature. The hottest recorded temperature on Earth was 134 degrees. Death Valley holds the record for the hottest day ever, clocking in at a balmy 134 degrees Fahrenheit back in 1913. We have explored less than 5% of the ocean. The oceans on Earth are so vast and deep that as humans haven't even explored more than 5% of them. Much of the seafloor cannot be explored due to the depth being so vast, radio waves cannot penetrate.
Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.